Why do we suddenly get goosebumps in certain situations? Why don't babies shed tears when they cry? Or did you know that your heart generates enough pumping power to easily shoot blood up to a 3-story building? Or, if you want, think about guinea pigs or bears, whose bite can effortlessly crush a solid bowling ball into pieces. Friends, there are countless mind-blowing and mysterious things happening around us at every single level of this world. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive in and share the top 30 weirdest, unsolved, and most fascinating facts of the world with you today. Number 1. If you start keeping a guinea pig as a pet and occasionally see it jumping into the air with all 4 legs off the ground, don't think it's gone crazy. They actually do this when they're extremely happy. It's an uncontrollable jump of joy, officially called popcorning. Number 2. Do you know how strange and insanely powerful our brain is? Sometimes it actually creates fake memories. That means you can clearly remember specific events that have absolutely never happened in your entire life. Number 3. The human body is so weird. On average, our fingernails grow about 0.13 inches per month. This means by closely looking at your nail growth, you can technically measure how long ago you cut them. Number 4. Did you know that tiny aquatic organisms called phytoplankton play the biggest role in providing oxygen to our planet? Living at the bottom of the ocean, they literally filter the environment and produce 80 to 85% of all the oxygen we breathe. Number 5. Think about babies. Right after birth, they cry constantly, but you'll notice there's no water in their eyes. Why? Because for the first few months of their life, their tear glands aren't fully developed yet. Number 6. Believe it or not, human beings actually glow in the dark. Yes, our bodies naturally emit a very faint light called bioluminescence. However, this glow is 1,000 times weaker than what the human eye can naturally see, which is why we never notice that we are practically walking glow sticks. Number 7. I've mentioned a strange Chinese law before. If someone is hit and killed by a car in China, the driver usually only has to pay a one-time fine. But if the victim is injured and survives, the driver has to pay for their medical care for the rest of their life. This bizarre rule actually still exists there. Number 8. What's the oldest university you can think of? Oxford, right? But here's a crazy twist. Oxford University started teaching in the year 1096. This means Oxford is actually older than the mighty Aztec Empire, which wasn't founded until 1325. Number 9. An octopus is basically a real-life alien on Earth. Why? Because a single octopus has 3 hearts, 9 brains, and a completely blue blood. And if that wasn't enough, if an octopus loses one of its arms, it simply regrows a brand new one. Number 10. Here's a fun fact. Our fingernails and toenails do not grow at the same speed. Fingernails actually grow up to 4 times faster than your toenails, simply because they're more exposed to the environment and active all day long. Number 11. There are millions of animals in this world, but among them is the massive grizzly bear. Its bite force is so brutally strong that it could crush a solid bowling ball with just its teeth. It is a literal monster. Number 12. Did you know that the pressure your heart creates during a single heartbeat is so incredibly strong that it has the power to shoot blood 30 feet out of your body? Number 13. Have you ever noticed why we tend to blurt out our deepest, most guarded secrets when we're extremely tired or stressed? It's because our brain becomes too physically exhausted to put up logical filters, making it much easier for the raw truth to just slip out. Number 14. Have you ever tried to literally watch a plant grow? With bamboo, you actually can. Certain species of bamboo are the fastest growing plants on Earth and can grow up to 35 inches in a single day. Number 15. When buying a bar of soap, have you ever noticed the word TFM printed on the wrapper? TFM stands for total fatty matter. The higher the TFM percentage, the better and less harmful it is for your skin. Definitely check this next time you buy one. Number 16. This little fact might make you doubt everything you see. Did you realize that almost everything we buy, build, or use daily, from scissors to zippers to desks, are designed perfectly and exclusively for right-handed people? Number 17. Go to the Google search bar on your phone or PC right now and type the word askew. If you hit enter, you'll see the entire search results page actually physically tilt to the right side. Number 18. Shintoism is one of the oldest monotheistic or folk religions in the world. But the weirdest part is, this religion has no single defined creator, and apart from Japan, you won't find its followers almost anywhere else in the world. Number 19. Forget about water falling from the sky. If you traveled deep into our solar system to Jupiter or Saturn, you would see it literally raining diamonds. Extreme lightning storms turn methane gas into soot, which compresses into solid diamonds as it falls down to the planet's surface. Number 20. An oak tree is an absolute drinking machine. It can absorb up to 380 liters of water in one day. But the giant redwood tree takes the crown, drinking up to 1,900 liters a day. Have you ever wondered just how much water their stomachs can hold? Number 21. Long before the 21st century, where we start cars with keys or push buttons, starting massive early mechanical engines often required a small supplementary motor, historically nicknamed a donkey engine. And way back in the day, actual animals were sometimes used to generate the initial power needed to crank large mechanisms. Number 22. Did you ever realize that even when you completely exhale all your breath, about 1 liter of air still stays trapped inside your lungs? If this residual volume didn't exist, your lungs would completely collapse, making human survival impossible. Number 23. Did you know there are frogs that jump up and wave their legs like they're joyfully dancing? It's not a fairy tale. They exist in the real wild and are literally called dancing frogs. Number 24. Every year, the size of your ears increases just a little bit. It's actually not traditional biological growth. It's simply gravity constantly pulling down on your cartilage and your skin, stretching over the course of your life. Number 25. If an owl wants to look left or right, it is forced to turn its entire head. It's not a magic trick. They simply do not have spherical eyeballs like we do. Their eyes are actually shaped like tubes, making it physically impossible for them to move their eyes from side to side. Number 26. Are you ever worried about food passing its expiration date? Well, honey is the only naturally occurring food in the whole world that never goes bad. Archaeologists have dug up 3,000-year-old pots of honey from ancient Egyptian tombs, and it was still completely fresh and perfectly safe to eat. Number 27. If you look closely at the little things on Earth, you'll notice that if you try to weigh an apple in a bucket of water, it floats easily. Why? Because an apple's overall volume contains 20% trapped air. Number 28. Did you know that if you pulled out every single blood vessel and nerve from an adult human body and laid them out end to end, they would wrap around the entire planet Earth almost 4 times? You have an endless journey literally running through your veins. Number 29. Just like you have fingerprints on your hand, have you ever noticed the texture of your tongue? The human tongue is a unique sensory organ where everyone has their own distinct tongue print. Yes, your tongue print matches absolutely no one else in the world. Number 30. There are currently over 8 billion people in the world. Out of all of them, about 2.5 billion follow the Christian religion, and the core of their immense, world-spanning faith is anchored around just one primary holy book, the Bible. How did you enjoy these 30 unbelievable, weird, and bizarre facts today? Out of all these hidden mysteries, which fact totally shocked your mind the most? You absolutely must tell me in a comment section down below. To uncover more about this mysterious, bizarre world hiding all around us, make sure to share this video and stay connected with our channel. This way, I can bring you even more interesting, mind-bending, and jaw-dropping videos very soon. Stay tuned.